of every country. It comes in the Middle East.
I don't agree. I don't agree with you. Don't agree also. Give you a point why they should be or not.
I think they should wear. Sorry.
I'm also saying.
That's why they should not wear. I think they should not wear because everyone has equal right in their country. And you were talking about a school, so schools run through the equality. If there are Muslim people and if there are Hindu people, so they both will get the equal rights.
As I agree with Amit's
Do not see any kind of human, even they do not have any kind of weapons. But how morality police they treat them? How do they treat them? They beat women either. If you are wearing hijab, it's okay. But if you are deterring women to make like wearing like proper hijab, even the neck, the hair, nothing should be show. That's very bad thing. Okay, you have mentioned about that they have behaved something like animals at all. So I would aspire to suggest you one thing. I can't give Indian opinions, but I would aspire to tell you one thing that you have mentioned about animals at all. So you can have a lot of examples. So what would you like to talk? What would you like to say on Mahsa Amini? I would aspire to say that first of all there was one case which is still not proven that they have. It is proven. It's not proven. It is proven. Who said? There are totally. Maybe you had watched any media video. Oh really? It's not yet proven. There are proven yet. Oh, how do you know? I know. There I know very well. I know. How? Tell me. Prove that. Tell me how do you know if it's okay on the social media? What this video we have seen only one video by which the government of Iran is proving that the girl she got died by the heart attack, but it was not true. The camera was on the van as well, on the policeman they had on where she was there were camera, but they didn't show. They showed only one video. Yeah, this one video is enough. That's why they are showing one video. Yeah, and they are not showing. Are you getting? They showed only one video and they are proving that she got died by the heart attack. They didn't show the whole video while we could get to know that they beated her and that she got died. Okay, listen to me. And even doctor has given them the videos that she was bleeding. She didn't die because of heart attack. You are talking about these kind of things. Tell me that. You have told out one video. If you are standing here, so if someone asks you that you are here, so I'm gonna give them outside video. Whatever is going on, or if you are standing here, so I will give one. So one enough? Of course it's enough because we have seen by our eyes. So you have seen by your eyes that she had got a heart attack. Even not heart attack. It was a murder. It was a murder. Okay. It was murder. Yeah. Okay. Tell me, you are talking about only one cases. There were two. If I talk about America and to saying to the women, you have to wear hijab. Because of that rule, they are saying you can see the condition of women. They are cutting their hairs in the road and they are also burning the hijab. It is good. So, it is what is happening in Iran. It is good.
So do you really think that
by that they can save their life?
So do you really think the government is running into like 4 and 5 years? There was nothing happened and still the America.
So my topic is Iran. So I search many of the information about Iran, that what is happening in Iran. So as per as my knowledge, I have watched many of the video because I cannot believe only one video. That's why I watch 1 and 3 video. After that, as per my knowledge, that there are women, they are protesting oppose of burqa because their government, they are forcefully saying to them that you have to wear burqa, and there are, you can say, many rules of burqa that on hijab. Yes, sorry for hijab. And that's their women, they are not being able to follow all the rules because the rule are very you can say strict. So and this is a thing that their women, they are not being able to follow, and you can say their police, they are doing misbehavior with the girl. There is a news that I was that they killed one girl because of she was not wearing burqa properly. That's why their police, they killed that woman. So I don't think whatever are happening in Iran, it is right, because woman has right that you can wear whatever you want to wear, and we cannot we should not forcefully to say that you have to wear burqa. So this is my opinion.
Okay. Who would like to counter her? Amit.
Okay. You know about Iran. Okay, first of all, their people were forcing that we want a Muslim nation. And Muslim nation, okay. But
You continue.
we want Islam nation, okay.
Yeah.
Then they got. And now they are saying that we want to remove ritual things from our tradition. So it's not a piece of paper that you can remove anything, you can do anything, whatever you want. there is some rule of like a nation they have to handle. Okay, so let them do. They are doing for your good, not for bad.
Okay, if they are making rules, it is right. Like if they are following their culture, it is also right. But if the person they are not agree, they are not being able to follow their ritual, and they are, you can say they are feeling like burden. So I don't think that you should follow these kind of rules. If you are not being able to follow, and your government they are forcefully saying to you that you must have to follow.
If you are not being able to follow the tradition, so you should not have said that we want a Islam nation. Now you got, and if you really want that, you should not wear hijab. So change your religion. Why are you on that one religion?
Even though if I talk about their past, so there was no any kind of rule. They used to wear whatever they want to wear. There was no any kind of rule, this kind of strictness. But now, if they are following, so they can follow. But why they are putting ocean of, you can say, strictness, that people they cannot follow. They want to follow, but because of strictness, they are not being able to follow.
Hijab is a good thing in a Islam nation. That's why they are supporting to wearing hijab. Okay, by this, because of hijab, you can say that boys are not being able to teach girls. So that's why we need hijab by which we can go outside.
Okay, Pogo wants to speak.
Okay, as you talked about the we need hijab, we should wear it. By that, boys will not tease us, and it is Islamic country, so they should wear a hijab. So you know about that one woman, she wear the hijab, but
Tell the name.
I don't know the name.
So why are you saying?
You can search. You can search
No, tell the name if you have.
Speak aloud.
Okay, that woman she wore a hijab, but not in a proper way. That's why they killed that woman. And the rule is that your hair should not be show in the hijab. So it is not good.
Okay,
You are wearing hijab, it is good. They are agree with that, but they are saying you should wear it you should wear properly tight in a tight way. So it is not good. If they are feeling bad in that, so why they will follow that?
Okay, as you have given the point of Mahsa Amini, okay, so
Yeah.
it was example you can say by which
Okay.
we can control hijab.
Abhishek wants to counter her.
So as you said, the woman has burned by this policeman. So
Yeah.
it is a geopolitics. You know, in America, interview was going on with the Trump. So there was a person. He said like Allahu Akbar. So their special forces has come to save the person. Only the word of Allahu Akbar. So Irani government see the watch the video. After that they applied the rule like you all are Muslim and you all have to wear a burqa. After that we can find the American agents in the Iran. Those are living.
Yeah. But on the Pagan time there was modernization. But if I talk about now, no one able to lead their life properly. If they want to wear hijab, so they can wear. If they don't want to wear, so they should not wear. But they have a specific rule. You have to wear.
Nowadays America and Iran facing a very like a dangerous war because America has already attacked on the Iran and Iran does not want again to attack from the America. That's why Iran said like we have to follow one time only Islamic culture by which we can find all American agents and we can arrest them.
To save their life, they are not saying to the women you have to wear hijab. Because of that rule, they are saying you can see the condition of women. They are cutting their hairs in the road and they are also burning the hijab. It is good.
So-
It is what is happening in Iran. It is good.
So do you really think
By that they can save their life.
So do you really think the government is running into like 4 and 5 years? There was nothing happen and still the America interrupt to Iran. Nowadays it is happening because of the Islamic. The government is running still till like 2 and 3 years.
Okay, Hayat.
Okay, so I would start to counter your point. As you have mentioned about like freedom at all. So right now, as you have seen a lot of videos that they are burning Khamenei pictures by cigarette and they are cutting their hairs, and as well as here are lot of women, those who are wearing this undergarment and they are burning on the road. So if that kind of freedom, so I don't think it's good for nothing. It is not freedom. And the second thing is that you have mentioned about like hijab and all. So do you know each person has his own, we can say, purpose. So Khamenei has his own goal behind it. As the topic, I can't go out of topic, but if I talk about hijab and all, so someday or others, as there some strict rule for women, so they have also for men too. And it's for safety. And the talked about rape cases and there's some rules for women. I am talking about that is if they want to wear, so they can wear, but there is specific rule for that. It is not good for that country, na. Okay, listen. I would aspire to tell you one thing that if we talk about a lot of country right now, so you would find they wear like Western clothes, they follow Western culture. But do you know here are some Muslim countries, and if I talk about right now, especially Iran. So Iran is a Muslim country where they follow Muslim rules, which America didn't like. So that's why it is they are like we can say like misleading people so that they are protesting.
Okay,
And-
Pratigya.
there is no any kind of involvement of America as you have
There
raised the
is-
point.
there is-
no, not in hijab. As you guys have talked about, as America has attacked on Iraq, then it started all this stuff. It's not. It's about that when the Khamenei, when the Khamenei he ruled on the Iraq and still he is ruling. What's his main like he has set in his mind like all the people of Iraq should be Iran, right? Iran, they all should follow me. What is happening? Of course, being a Muslim and Islamic country, they should wear hijab, but how? How the rules? There is morality police and they treat people very badly as the animals. Whenever they see any kind of human, even they do not have any kind of weapons, but how morality police they treat them. How do they treat them? They beat women. Either if you are wearing hijab, it's okay, but if you are deterring women to make like wearing like proper hijab, even the neck, the hair, nothing should be show. That's very bad thing. Okay, you have mentioned about that they have behaved something like animals at all. So I would aspire to suggest you one thing. Do you know like I can't give Indian opinions, but I would aspire to tell you one thing that you have mentioned about animals at all. So you can have a lot of examples. So what would you like to talk? What would you like to say on Mahsa Amini? I would aspire to say that first of all there was one case which is still not proven that they have. It is proven. It's not proven. It's proven. I would say there are totally. Maybe you had watched any body media video. Oh really? It's not yet proven. No, there are proven yet. Oh, how do you know? I know there. I know very well. I know. How? Tell me. Prove that. Tell me how do you know if it's okay on the social media? What this video we have seen only one video by which the government of Iran is proving that the girl she got died by the heart attack, but it was not true. The camera was on the van as well, on the policeman they had on the camera. There was camera, but they didn't show. They showed only one video. Yeah, this one video is enough. That's why they are showing one video. Yeah, and they are not showing. Are you getting? They showed only one video and they are proving that she got died by the heart attack. They didn't show the whole video while we could get to know that they beated her and that she got died. Okay, listen to me. And even doctor has given them the videos that she was bleeding. She didn't die because of heart attack. You are talking about these kind of things. Tell me that. You have told out one video. If you are standing here, so if someone asks you that you are here, so I'm gonna give them outside video. Whatever is going on, or if you are standing here, so I will give one. So one enough? Of course it's enough because we have seen by our eye. So you have seen by your eyes that she had got a heart attack. Even not heart attack. It was a murder. It was a murder. Okay. It was murder. Yeah. Okay. Tell me, you are talking about only one cases. There were two. If I talk about America and Israel, there were two twins, and they were being beaten because of hijab. What about it? Why are you involving them? We are just only talking about hijab. Why do you need to target always Muslims? Not. It's not about Muslim. Even being a Muslim, I will show you. What? There are a lot of examples which I can show. But I am only talking about Iraq. Being a Muslim, they treat their people as animals. First of all, I would aspire to tell that it is a Muslim country where 99 people Muslim they live. If they have according to their like culture law, and so I don't think anything is wrong here. But yeah, I know somewhere it's wrong that if they oppress some women and they they forced to wear hijab. I know it's different, but some others you can't see the other thing which they are doing for their best. What are they doing? Nothing. Women, they are not able to live their life in their country. Okay, that's very my point. I really don't want to include any country, but as I had told you, there are very less crimes according to my thing. There are women's safety a lot. What do you want them? You are talking about crime, but the
Okay, Tapasya.
Okay, so now you are talking about the women's safety at all. So which kind of women's safety they are providing? They are just killing a woman, which she doesn't wear a hijab properly, and that's the reason they are killing women. This is the women's safety you are talking about.
okay, tell me what kind of like safety and what we call as freedom women they want.
They really want that. They just want a peaceful life in their country. That's it out. And if I talk about the government is doing nothing for the women. They are just saying that you have to wear hijab. It's our culture. But if I talk about the Iran culture was never a Islamic culture. They had their own culture. But if I talk about the Islam, the government just imposed on the citizens that you have to follow this.
First of all, as far as I know, previous times when there was women, they used to wear like there was, we can say, like abroad
Okay,
culture.
Hayat, he wants to counter. Abhishek.
So yeah, what kind of proof do you have? Like she was Irani person, because nobody knows she was the American spy. She was the Irani person. Everybody saying that she only died. She was dead. But nobody talking about where she was belong.
This is the main mentality that the government they have did so many things to the government, and still we are not believing in it. So just government they have just misled information at all, and now you are asking this question that was she Irani or not?
For example, what kind of proof do you have? Are you Indian?
Yes, I have so many certificates. I have so many.
Everyone
things
can purchase certificate.
No, it wasn't like that. We are just talking about the Iran to talk about this.
I'm giving just example.
So just I can also have.
You know, when agents die, so nobody will country say like it is my person. You know, when agents got captured by the police, nobody will say it is from the America, it is from the India, it is from the Pakistan. Everyone say
It
it
is
is not
very
a
bad.
person.
It is very bad seeing that if the woman she has died just because she was not wearing hijab properly, and now you are asking was she Irani or not. This is a bad thing that the government they just have misled all the information.
Government, according to the government, misleading us.
Yes.
But you are not seeing the woman is misleading us.
No, the woman was not. That she was just a normal woman. That's all.
Where did you get the information she was dead?
She was that bad. I got the information by the social media.
Which social media?
The government, the
Have you
Irani
seen-
government, but she saw that. I also came to know about that.
What Irani government said? Can you tell me?
They were just saying that she was just got to die just because of heart attack. They were not just telling the truth information.
Nobody
which is
will
very
tell the
bad.
truth information, because when the spy agents got catched by the police, army, whatever, they will not tell you any kind of truth information.
Oh God, what are you saying? That you are just saying she was
Okay,
not the
let's
real.
have correct information.
You do not have any kind of point, so you are saying she was a spy from the another country. What the rubbish point you have given here?
Rubbish point.
Of course.
Do you know about geopolitics? What happened? What is geopolitics?
I do not care about it, but what had happened, what we guys have seen, of course we are going to
You
talk
are
about
only
it.
seeing. You are not reading the behind story of this.
So what's the behind story you tell?
America and Iran facing a war since
You
2
said
years.
that women they are misleading is why?
For 2 years.
Why it is the rule in Iraq that they have to wear proper hijab and something else, and there is a one thing, freedom of choice which women they are not getting in the
They
Iraq
are
right
just
now.
saying that you have to wear. You can wear after that. You can take off. And
You can tell. No, I think you are not aware of it.
let me
Wait,
come.
let me tell you now. What's the rule? Whenever you wear hijab, even nothing should be visible except your face, not even your neck, not even your hair. If I say you to wear anything, you only your eyes should be visible. Will you be comfortable there? Of course not.
Have you done?
For sure.
Let me give you an example. In America, there every person scared of the Muslim, and in the Iraq they are finding the spy agent because they don't have any kind of atomic bomb, and America is saying we will attack on you by the atomic bomb, and they
Do
have
not
a
talk about America.
Let me-
America is just a superficial country which nobody can believe on it. Just because of the oil, it attacked on Venezuela and they said that it was a drug
Do you
trafficking
know
or something else.
nowadays Iran is making the atomic bomb, and America wants to stop them.
Yeah.
That is the problem. Iran wants to. Iran is scared of the America.
Here you are talking about boat thing. What's happening with the boat? We are talking about in Iran. Why should they wear hijab and why shouldn't?
Only one time you have to wear. You have to flex them. You have to show them like I can wear. I am not any kind of spy agent.
Do
I
you
am a
know the
Muslim person.
morality police in the Iran right now? What do they do? What's the duty of them? They do not have any kind of weapon, but whenever they see any kind of women, they are not proper dress up, so they directly arrest them.
So they are arresting for the like a what we call
Investigation. It's kind of investigation. Just they see
Okay,
that
Amit.
woman she is not proper wearing that they arrest. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. In the case of Mahsamini, but why it happened in
Speak aloud.
September 2022? Okay, so at that time the government was not as powerful because the majority of the people of Iran they were forcing that we want another government. Okay, that's why we have given the example that how much we are powerful. Okay, so it was only for one example, and as you know that we can
It's
change
not
the
about
rule.
the public or public of Iran. The what his name?
Okay.
What's
Khamenei.
Khamenei. Khamenei, he came by himself in that country, and there was a man he forced them to go in America, and that's he ruled on the Iran, and still he is ruling. It was his plan to be in Iran, and still whatever he wants, everything is
The
happening according
government
to
had
him.
changed in 1979. Okay, so
Yeah.
it is not for America as and present. Okay, so it's a Irani government, you can say. The America government has gone already in 1979, if you know.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so for as you know that we can change the rule of anything in our constitution. Okay, as you know our India we have removed the sati pratha. We can. Why is it happening? We can remove us hijab one too. But what is happening? We now Iran is not as powerful. Okay, Iran wants that a nuclear power by which he will be stable on the country. Okay.
To
Because
listen
of
your
that,
citizen, you don't need a power. If you want to change,
If
you can
the-
change. There is no Iran. You are talking about the fighting with others country, but we are only talking about citizens of Iran.
if Irani people is not able to, Irani people is not convey with our points, government points. So what Iran government will do? Definitely, he will do something with their citizens. Okay. Why it is happening? Because of you can say America. Okay, what is happening? America wants to vanish the government of Iran. Okay, and he is supporting the citizens of Iran. Okay, because of that, Irani people are thinking that now because of the America we can change the government, but they do not know the reality. If they change the government of Iran, so Iran will not be able to become a nuclear power, you can say nuclear powerful country. Okay, because of that it is happening, and there is a you can say Charlie.
Trick.
You can say there is a trick of America, and
I
the
know
Irani
America
people
is
are
that kind
trapping
of
in the-
country. They are using that tragedy by which they can get Iran power. And what Iran wants, they do not want to give their power. I know this, but here we are talking about only Iran, not America and something else.
So
Try
it
to.
is too related with America and Iran too.
I got
Okay.
it. It's related.
So-
But what is okay? So what do you think the thing which is happening? All this stuff, hijab and something else, it happened because of America.
If you really want to change the hijab rules, so just wait. Let Iran make a nuclear bomb. Then you can change whatever you
When
want.
will it? When will it? Do you
When
know?
will it?
Yeah.
The work is going on in Iran.
They
for
are
nuclear
fighting
power.
with each other.
But
Government is
America
focusing
saying
over the
that-
citizens. Then how will they will?
Listen,
They will
listen.
do.
The work of nuclear power is going on, but America wants to interrupt.
Okay, in the starting you talked about that Iranian people they are following their ritual, so it is right thing that they are following. So, but why only women they are responsible to follow their ritual? Why man not? Why only women you have to follow ritual? You have to do these kind of things. Why not men?
Both gender are following. If you have any case, so tell me.
You can see that what is happening in Iran
What
just
is
because of
happening?
hijab.
But they
There is
are.
no any kind of like you can say case for men that you have to follow this kind of rule, and if you don't follow
they
it,
have
it will happen.
also they have also their rule, but they are following. Okay, if girl is not wearing hijab, so it's her problem. That's why we need that. But what is happening? Iran wants to establish his power. Because of that, it happened in September 2022. Okay, there is no case, there is no any reason behind it that we want.
No, I totally disagree with your point. As you talked about their women, they don't want to wear burqa. They want to wear. But I have cleared over one point in the starting that they want to wear, but their rule is that much strict that they are not being able to follow.
Okay, except this one case, how many cases have you watched in Iran?
I have watched many of the videos, like
Tell the
as
name.
you have talked about what is her name. Masa, like something.
Masa.
Masa. And
But you have watched only
there are
one
many
case.
cases too, but you
Tell-
can say that they didn't
So
tell
why
the
do you
name.
know only
They
one
didn't
case?
tell the
So
name,
how
so how
many?
we
Except
will know?
do you know any case?
If they didn't tell the name, so how will we know? There are many cases. There are many cases that
Ma'am,
they
it's the
their
era of
police.
social media, you can get know anything whatever you
Okay,
want.
as you are talking about the point, give me specific point and quintessential. So you should give me the point why girls must wear hijab. It is their freedom to wear. It is their freedom to wear everything they can wear. They are not denying that I can't wear. They are saying that I can wear, but not tightly as in the video. As in the video, they have killed, they have beat, they did very bad. They did very bad. React with that one girl, and after that, after wearing hijab, you are killing that person, and after that, you are saying that this kind of work it is happening. So tell me that how much rape cases you have watched in Iran and you have seen. Tell me.
No, we haven't watched any kind of case of rape in Iran. Why?
So why
Because
you
the
are why were you talking
hijab
about?
is travel
Yeah.
in Iran. That's why we are not facing
Listen,
any kind
listen.
of
So
case.
why were you talking about
Okay,
rape cases and all?
Bhavna, you want to continue.
So I want to counter you as you talked about that everyone has right to wear anything. So at the time in each country there is right to wear anything, but they are not gonna wander without clothes. Same it happened in Iran because you know it is a Islamic country and we all have to wear burqa. And the second thing is that nowadays as we all know that Iran is trying to make a nuclear bomb. So at the time so many American people they are coming in Iran and as a spy and they are trying to know what is happening in Iran. That's why Iran government they have allowed everyone to like wear burqa and after some time it will be changed. How will it will be changed? Listen, you have mentioned that it is a Islamic area, it's Islamic country. Okay, so why only for women, not for men? There is also for men. Listen. If there is what is it called thokna. If they are imposing if they are imposing to the for women that you have to wear, it is must for it is very compulsory to wear. But why not for boys? If you read it, listen. Why boys are not wearing full kurta and pajama? Why boys are not wearing full cap after going? Why all are wearing these things are all men are following in Iran. All men are following this one rule. Otherwise, again so many cases will happen. But so many men are following. As you talked about that Iran is a Islamic country, so they must wear burqa. Do you know why must they wear burqa? It is their choice that we must wear or not. And you talked about nuclear bomb is making the nuclear bomb. If spy comes in the as a both gender, so why they are unable to find men? Do you think so that spy cannot wear burqa? Bro, do you know as we all are Indians, so can we say anything like good about Pakistan? We like Indian agents they don't say good about like Pakistan. That's why they are caught. That same American people they also don't follow Iran's rule. That's why they will be caught. No, they will not be caught. If that American person know the rule of Iran, and what if they wear the burqa at the time, so they will not be caught. You are talking about everybody has talked about spy. There is 50% chance that they can be caught. But suppose if no one is following, suppose if everyone is the same side, they won't be able to caught them 0%. Okay,
Shiv.
I think this rule is not good because there are so many innocent people they live in Iran. There are so many innocent people they live in Iran and they are also from India. They are also from other countries, so they cannot follow the rule of Iran. And if they don't follow, then they will get that tomorrow their news will come. So that's why their rule should be vanished.
Bro, but you know in Iran there is a rule, but only for year or like months.
Is it written that it is only for a year?
Yes, bro, because they are trying to make.
I think you are making fake news.
No, bro, it is a real news because you can even search on Google on websites also.
Who said this?
Who said, bro? Google.
But Google is not the prime
Come on the
minister of the
topic,
Iran.
bro.
Huh?
Come on the topic.
So you were saying that he said. Who said?
Who said the government of Iran?
Who is
And
that?
as well as you know in Iran so many cases are also happening that after, they are also saying that after some time it will be vanished and suppose for 6 months or 7 months you have to follow.
First of all, your information is totally wrong because the nuclear power takes more than 2 or 3 years for becoming. And if you say that only 6 to 7 months, then they should vanish right now because so many people are getting died innocent. They are innocent people and after that they are getting died.
Maybe after wearing burqa no one is getting died.
Okay, like you used to about the who made the fake rumors and also toward the prime minister of the Iran. He has means card diye.
He has cut.
Yeah, he has cut it. He has cut the violence of the internet due to some no one can no one can split their space.
But you also must know about the not prime minister, leader about the Iran. He also does discrimination among the religions. If there is a Hindu and if there is a Muslim, so he will support Muslim, not Hindu.
So if okay, yeah, talk about this. So have you seen the Prime Minister of the India, Modi? He also supports the Hindu.
First of all,
Hindu
topic is
religion.
Iran, not India.
So
Sir said don't talk about India.
okay, okay. What a personal thing that as you all are saying about the hijab and all. Okay, somewhere it is right and somewhere it is wrong because I have an example of the news like how we all have seen the news. Why am I saying like the USA has tried to even USA has done destroyed the nuclear.
First of all, there is no role of USA in the Burkhan case. There is role of the USA in the development of country, in the development of Iran. They don't focus on the Burqa. They only want that they should get a chance by which they can attack on the Iran and they can occupy the Iran.
Yeah.
Nah, that's not the point.
Nah.
Sorry, no, that's not the point. No, that's not the point because they just want to destroy. They just don't want to don't let the Iran make the nuclear bomb. That's why they're sending their agent into Iran, and that's why the agent of USA they will not let to make Iran nuclear bomb.
What are you supporting? Should they wear or should they not wear?
So they should be.
They should wear. And how will they find the agents which are present in that country?
Because if it over the agent he will not know everything about the country where as the citizen of that country he would know. That's why.
But I don't think that they should wear the burqa because it is just like a discrimination among the people because there are so many kind of the people they live in that country and there are also Christian, there are also Hindu, there are also Muslim, and if they all follow the same religion, so their religion will not be respected because they think that if I follow another religion then I will support that religion. So that's why they should not wear the burqa.
Okay, if you talk about the religion in Iran, so they are 99.9% they are Muslims.
But there is 0.1% people too. And you said 99.9%.
Yeah.
So there is 1% people too in that country.
But they all are the because why they
1% is not a small number. It is also life. They are also human. They also have their right.
so Iran considers them as a spy.
So that's why Iran is not developing because they don't focus on everyone.
Okay, Manvi.
Okay, I would like to carry on Chef's point that he was saying that about the 1%, about the 0.1% people. That is even right. They are forcing Muslim. That's not even okay. But still, they are forcing another religion to follow their religion for finding a spy.
Okay, that would be great thing like as you stated. But yeah, they should find because I have an example of the Iran. He has no idea about the spy.
Okay, you said that that's okay. Let me clear you here that everybody has their own religion. Why are they not allowed to follow their religion? Why they have only to follow Islamic religion?
Because more than because as a parent said that 99.9% they are Muslim and if the
0.1% are also there. They are also a number. Let me clear you.
But
You
if-
said about the 99% people. Let me clear you. They are forcing 80% of them. Only 20% of them are okay with the burqa. Let me clear you here that they are not being able to wear if there are one woman or two women, they are not wearing burqa, they are going to be beaten or killed by the police of there. There are strict rules.
okay like
Okay, Chris, respond.
So as you are saying about 0.99% people, so first of all, Iran is not a secular country and they are making rules, so you will have to follow. For example, you will not change according to your school, you will have to change according to the school.
No, let me clear you. That why don't they focus over another religion? Why they are only focusing over their religion?
Why they should focus on the another religion? Because
Because there are even the people living
because
there.
it is not a secular country, it's a Islamic country. That's why they are focusing on Islam.
It was not Islamic country. It
It
is made.
It
It
is
is
Islamic
made.
country. So
No, it is made.
So there
Now
is-
it is.
there is no written that it is secular country as well.
Secular country, could you explain?
Okay.
Elaborate it?
Tapasya.
Okay, so it was said that it is not, it is a Islamic country. So if you talk about the history of the Iran, then you wouldn't come to know about the Islamic culture was not a Iran part. Then the government, they imposed the Islamic culture to the citizen that you just have to follow it. And the poor citizen, they just have to follow the rule or regulation.
First of all, you should know that ki Iran is an Islamic country. And most of the people, they are Muslims there, and they are making rule ki you will have to wear, so you will have to wear, and it is not a secular. So why they should focus on another religion? First of all, it is not a it's not a secular country. So why they should focus on another religion?
So just talk about that if a girl, she doesn't want to wear at any hijab at all, so you will just follow
I gave
her.
example.
You will just say,
I
you will
gave
just
example.
follow.
School will not change according to your. According
Okay,
to you.
so
You will have
just
to change
listen
according
that
to you.
carefully. Iran is not a school, it's a country. Just talk about
I
it.
am giving an example. I'm not saying ki it is schools. I am giving example. You will not change. School will not change according to you. You will
I
have
am
to
also
change
giving an
according to your
example
school.
that just
Yes.
talk about the girl. She was not just ready to wear the burqa,
Okay, Pratikya.
and then that's it.
Okay, as you talked about it, Iran is Islamic country, so they should wear hijab. So I think that they are wearing hijab. They are not saying that we will not wear hijab, but in that way they have to follow rule. You can see in the period there was modernization, but it has become an Islamic country, and the people the rules of there even the girls can't talk to the boy. If she is shaking hand with the boy, so she can't do that.
So it is happening just because of safety reason, and it is also they want to include in what we call nuclear power. That's why they are doing, and it is happening.
What
because
is
of
the
safety
reason
power.
behind it? Nuclear power.
Just because of America, as you know, that they are protesting against the government and all.
So
That's
what
why
about
they
the
are
mans?
finding
What
the
about
American
the
skies
mans?
and all.
What about the
They are
man?
also following rule. You are not even you don't know the full knowledge about that. There are also rules for man and woman too.
But why there is strict rules for women? Only they have to wear hijab. Why they only have to?
They are making rules just because of American spy. They want
You
to
all
find
are
American
saying
spy.
about that because of the nuclear bomb. They have to follow
Not nuclear bomb.
bomb. They have to follow the.
Okay, Kumkum.
Okay, as you took the example of school, that the school will not change for you. If problem is happening with only one person, so yes, he can change. But if problem is happening for all students, so all students will not change. The school will change the
Somewhere or other, Iran is doing that because of safety purpose.
If they are doing safety, so I don't think that their people they are happy. If their people are not happy, so which kind of safety they are
As you
giving?
know, for example, I can also give an example. If your parents is doing something good for you, but it is seeming like it seems like a wrong for you, but they are doing good, and you think that it is a wrong
Listen,
thing. But they are doing
we are
good.
as much capable that we know that what is the right thing and what is the wrong thing for us. So their citizens also know that what is right and what is wrong. Government should not you can say impose the rule for like on citizens that they are that you whatever.
Then next day, this is the rule there.
And after some time, if America attacks on Iran and everyone will die, so what will you do on that time?
First of all, America. It means that for getting saved from the America, you will wear burqa. After wearing burqa, America will not attack on you.
I said it is happening because of 50% because they want to
Okay,
find
okay,
American
okay.
spy.
Okay. Safety person. Which kind of safety
Safety
person?
purpose.
From 10.
Purpose.
Purpose. Okay. Safety purpose. Okay. From time to time, innocent people are getting died. Which kind of safety are they providing? If there is no
I am
safety,
saying after some time, if America attacks on Iran, so what will you do and
What
what
does-
they will do?
what does Iran have?
What
Iran
about
has
the
nothing.
freedom?
Why will America
What
attack on that
freedom
kind
will
of
do?
country? Why? But wait, listen. Why America will attack on that country? Which country doesn't have anything? Iran doesn't have anything. Iran doesn't have good people. Iran doesn't have
America
population.
also attacks on one country and
Venezuela.
What's the name?
Venezuela.
Venezuela and
You know why?
Even they don't have anything.
First of all, Venezuela has lots of things. You don't know, they have so many things. Like if you have Venezuela, then you can see other countries through the Venezuela because Venezuela is the main part of every country. It comes in the Middle East.
I don't agree with you.
You don't agree also.
Give you a point why they should be or not.
I think they should wear. Sorry.
I'm also saying that.
That's why they should not wear. I think they should not wear because everyone has equal right in their country. And you were talking about a school, so schools run through the equality. If there are Muslim people and if there are Hindu people, so they both will get the equal right.
As I agree with Amit's point, as Amit was saying that they are doing just because of they want to include in nuclear power and because just because of nuclear power they.
Sir, I want to cover the point here.
Okay.
Okay, so previous you had mentioned about a point like why only women have to wear hijab and why men do not have any kind of right. So now for your confirmation, I would start to tell you one thing that men also have strict rule if they wear half, so that they can't wear, they can be in jail.
Yeah.
So men also have.
If they are, so why like they have a rule for that you cannot wear half sleeve. So you can say that it is not that much strict. But about the burqa, it is you can say too much strictness on women that they are following.
Okay, tell me one thing that if I talk about other countries, I know that this topic only Iran, but I'm just giving an example. If I talk about other countries, if Muslims they wear hijab in school, so they will be hijab is banned. So because of their rules, so as same in Iran they have rule, so they must follow it because if they are according to their country's rules.
Listen, the Iranian women they are not you can say denying to wear burqa. They are agree. They are you can say following their ritual. But their rule are totally different. You can say it is. I have mentioned our ocean of time that it is too much strict. That's why they are not being able to follow. Otherwise, they also want to follow. Even though from like you can say like previous they used to follow and still they are following, but their you can say rule are very strict. That's why they are not being able to follow.
Okay, as well as a little bit had mentioned about point. Yeah, I forgot. Like you have mentioned about women at all. Your totally purpose mean to say that women empowerment, women safety. Okay,
Yeah.
women freedom. So guys, I really shouldn't talk, but why don't you talk about when in Palestine a lot of women were killed? Why didn't you talk about them? Why do you have to target only Iran because of Iran? I had told, and I'm saying again, a little bit. She had mentioned about 1% people, those who are non-Muslim. So if they are not agree, they are not satisfied. So it is obvious they should leave the country because it is Islamic country. They will follow their rules.
If you see that I have like if it will happen with only one person, so they can leave. But if like they are all women, you can say all the citizens that all the women of Iran, they are protesting, so they cannot leave or they cannot leave all women. They cannot leave the Iran. It is
Not
like
all.
a huge amount.
Okay, here is not all women. I would start to tell you one thing that
If
I
you
talk
see the
listen.
video of that many of the women, they are protesting. There is no
Okay,
any
okay,
kind
one
of-
second. If I talk about American culture, you can see everywhere American culture. But even here are Muslim countries, those who do not follow. America want to follow them. That's why it's somewhere the America's conspiracy.
Why you
Because
are
America is not being able to
like,
impose
why
its
you
culture
are
on Muslim.
always including the America. It is the topic of Iran that
I know
what
it's
is the-
topic about Iran, but somewhere or others you can't see the behind thing. It.
Listen, America is not saying that you have to follow this kind of things. It is interrupting because of
Okay, we are talking about this.
other things.
Tell me those women who are protesting about these. Why America is including that if someone is gonna attack and someone is gonna do like prevent what we call it protest. So why America is interrupting that I'm gonna attack? Why?
America is interrupting just
Okay, so I want to counter confirm that as you talked about that there are strict rules towards girls, so they have only they also have strict rules towards boys that they have to wear. And what rules they have? They only have to wear burqa, and it is and in Islamic religion it is also a rule that it is a costume that you have to wear, and they are protesting. So they should not protest and they should follow the rules.
they are following their culture. They are you can say they are agreed to follow. I have mentioned a lot of times they are agreed to follow, but you can say that if you like suppose if you are like wear burqa with properly, then you can see that you will following their culture. If you are not being able to follow properly, so it means you are not following culture.
Listen,
But
okay, as you talked about that we have to wear burqa, properly. So everyone is wearing burqa properly, and who are not wearing, they are showing their hairs and they are showing their hands and that. So they are punishing them and they are not punishing them that who has worn burqa.
So why they are punishing? This
Okay,
is
good.
not a
Have a seat. One by one, everybody would give their opinion, whatever they have studied about it. Yes, Om, if you want to give your opinion, you.
Yes. So in my view, wearing burqa is not good. Somewhere or the other, it is not good because there are so many women and men including because they are not being able to breathe properly, as well as they also get like a hot in the burqa because because everyone has right to wear anything and they can wear any kind of clothes.
Okay, Lawan.
Okay, so in my opinion that we should wear burqa because it is a rule and in Iran that there is fight here are lots of American agents which can attack on Iran and Iran's all the population can also die and that's why they are making the rule that you have to wear burqa by which the American agents can caught and they can't attack on Iran.
Okay, next. Once.
So in my point of view, we should not wear the burqa because of no one wants to wear the burqa because the government is strict there. That's why they are wearing. If someone doesn't want to do that, if the government is protesting that we should do that. So what's the reason behind it? That if there is citizen, so there is country. If without a citizen, there is no anything in the country. So that's why the citizens should follow that one rule. Citizens that don't follow that one rule because they should wear their rules that they are comfortable in that or they are not comfortable in that.
Okay. Next, who would like to speak? Yes, Arushi.
I think that wearing burqa is good because at the starting when there was not the rule of Khamenei, so everyone agreed to follow the hijab one rule but now it is being applied, so no one is following it. So I think everyone should wear.
Okay. Next, who would like to speak? Yes. Oh.
Okay. I think the women they should not wear a hijab because in the rule is different and the restrictions are different. In the Iran they are not following the rules. They are restriction on the women. You have to wear hijab in a full way. Even women are ready to wear hijab. But the rule is that you have to wear hijab tightly, and even they are not. They are not feeling good on the hijab, so I think they should not wear.
Next. Yes. Speak good.
First of all, I will give you the answer is that why America is interrupting Iran country because Iran country has lots of petroleum. That's why they interrupting because America wants to hang out the Iran country. And first of all, in my perspective, girls should wear hijab but not properly. If she wants to wear like all dupatta, put it is enough in my perspective. That's enough.
Okay. Next.
Okay. So in my perspective, they should not wear. If they want to wear, so they can wear, but we should not impose. We should not impose. Like you have to wear burqa, you have to do this kind of thing, and after wearing burqa, and they're killed by police. Yeah, killed by police. So it is not good. If they want to wear burqa, so they can wear. If they don't want to wear, so it's there. It is dependent on them. Actually, in my perspective, I really think that Iran government is good for nothing. They are doing nothing for their citizens and all. And I wanna say that wearing burqa is not a bad thing, but eloping something else, it's a bad thing. They are just imposing to man and woman that you have to do this work. So is it really beneficial thing? No. By burqa, I'm not saying that wearing burqa is bad thing. I'm saying that if someone doesn't want to do that one work, if he must and she must have their rights to do something in their life, they can live their life as they want to live. So I think so they should not elope and they should not impose this kind of rules on their citizens. And I wanna say, like, if they are applying this kind of rules only for their citizens, so there must be also rules for their government. Which kind of government in Iran have? So what I believe, if I talk about, there are so many things which has raised in the world, but the main thing which is going on in Iraq, that's about hijab. That should they wear Irania? Should they wear hijab or not? So what do I personally believe, that being a Islamic people, they should definitely wear, but the main thing is that the government is forcing them to wear. There are rules of men as well and women as well, but the main thing is that they are forcing public and women to wear hijab properly. Of course, being a Mormon, they will have to wear, and it's their religion, and they want to show their country like, yeah, that we are a pure Islamic, because most of the country they are following, they are going to towards Western culture. So somewhere or the other, it's better to wear hijab, but somewhere or the other, if you want to make it forcefully, it's very bad, because everybody knows if you say someone with love, they will definitely gonna do that. But if you say with anger, they will get angry over it, and they will definitely don't do that. So they should, if they want to make the country, if they want to make their citizens listen, so of course they will have to implement something good by which the country and the citizens will listen them.
Okay, next.
Okay, so in my opinion, whatever, as far as I know about the Iran, what is going on, so the government is just imposing the Islamic culture of the woman. If she is comfortable of wearing the burqa hijab, so she must wear. If she is not comfortable, so she must also have the as much liberty, she can wear whatever she wants to wear. That's my opinion about it.
Okay. What I personally believe, that there should not be burqa, because if one would be protesting, then we must say that it is okay. But why most of the people are why most of the girls are protesting over it, that it is not good. But what the people of there, they think that in this there would be unity in our country, that everybody is wearing burqa. But why don't they care about those people who are not ready to wear burqa? There are many kind of other religion living there too, for study purpose or earning something. Why don't they focus over that? Everybody has to wear burqa. This is a very strict rule, so I think so there must be this rule. Whoever wants to wear burqa, they may, but not everybody. This is very strict.
Manya.
If their country citizens want to protest something, government should listen about that and solve the problem peacefully.
Okay, Nishwal.
In my opinion, they should wear burqa, because by the burqa in Iran, the rape cases are decreasing. There is no rape cases happening, and the Iran government is doing for good, not for bad. And as she is saying that title, that is not title properly. As you can have an example of like, if teacher give you homeworks, you are doing half, so she will punish you. That's why government punished them. She was not wearing in properly way.
Okay, yes.
So in my opinion, the girls, they should not wear burqa. If they want, so they can wear. But the government, they should not forcefully say them that you have to wear burqa. You have to. If they are not feeling comfortable in the burqa, so over they should not wear.
Rishi.
Wearing burqa is not bad, but imposing something, it is bad. Because everyone have their right to wear. Everyone have their right to wear their clothes by their choice.
Everyone has rights.
Everyone has rights to wear their clothes by their own choice.
Okay, Kushi.
In my point of view, I think that they should not imposing them for wearing burqa. If they want
should
to
not impose them.
They should not impose them for wearing burqa, because if they want their safety, so they can also take another decision for their safety.
Okay, Mansi.
Okay. So in my opinion, they should not wear burqa, because if they want to wear anything, so they can wear, because they have right to wear anything, so they can wear. If government is imposing that you will have to wear, so it is it is always that they are imposing, but they will not they are disagree at this point, because they want to wear anything, so they can wear.
Okay, Varsha. Repeating once again, maybe.
In my opinion, we should not wear burqa, because
Not
if
wear,
you wear burqa, because if you don't feel comfortable, so you should not wear burqa. Wear burqa. And Iran government impose rule of girls. Impose rule of girls on girls, because you should wear burqa properly. It is not, girls don't feel comfortable. That's it.
Okay, guys, Satyam, you want to say? Okay.
So in my perspective, it should not girls are wear hijab or not. It's a personal. Iran wants to find a spy. That's why in 1980, it's Iraq the attack on Iran because of Iraq the made a nuclear bomb. That's why Iraq the attack on Iran. Then going on a war, the America support Iraq. That's why Iran accepted America is my enemy. Then after that some time war was going on 8 years. It's a too long wars. It was too long. Then after some years, then America is sent the spy in Iraq. Because America knows Iran is making a nuclear bomb. That's why it's sending. Then that's why Iran wants to find a spy. That's why it's a reason.
Okay, guys, most of the students, they were not prepared at what to speak.
Whatever government are doing, it is right. People, they know about their right and about their freedom.
You know the war is going on for 2 years. I don't know, but I don't know about the war and all. But I listened that the war is going on for 2 years. So that's why they want to include in nuclear power, and it is happening because of safety purpose, and they include and they want
Whatever
to
you have talked, it is a different matter, and we are talking about the hijab. Okay.
So yes, you were right that they were fighting for 2 years and they want to make nuclear bomb. It is good. They want to develop their country. But what is the problem of innocent people, those who are living there? They don't have any kind of problem. But for no reason, day by day, from time to time, they are killing the innocent people. They don't know what is happening in our country. But if you don't follow the rule of their country, you will get